Hi guys, I wanted to review finding the area of triangles with you. A lot of you guys have been doing a really great job with step 1, which is multiplying, where we do base times height. You get the numbers from the shape or that I give you in the word problem. You plug them in, multiply, and get an answer. But I did notice that a lot of you have been forgetting step 2, which is to divide by 2, and we can't forget step 2. If we forget step 2, then our answer is not going to be correct. So we have to remember that the formula is base times height divided by 2. So we have to do both steps before we go to step 3 and write our final answer. So let's practice together. We have a right triangle because I can tell since it's shaped like an L shape, it's a 90-degree angle. That's a right triangle. It has a height of 10 feet and a base of 12 feet. So I'm going to do my step 1. Oh my God. Sorry. My step 1 of plugging in my base, which is 12, and my height, which is 10. These are 2-digit numbers. So I will stack and multiply. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 1 again is 0. Cross out, add my 0. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. My answer is 120. So 12 times 10 equals 120. Now I have to do my next very important step, step 2, divide. I cannot forget to divide. I take my answer from step 1, 120 divided by 2. Now I have to go to my scrap paper. I make a division table. I write the large number on the inside and the small number on the outside. The number on the outside for this formula will always be 2. Then we see how many times can 2 go into the first number. 2 cannot go into 1. It's too small. So I make it 12. 2 times what equals 12? 6. I write 6 up top, 12 down here. Then I subtract. Bring down my next 0. How many times does 2 go into 0? 2 times what equals 0? Has to be 0. Write my 0 here, and I have 0 left over. So my answer for step 2 is 60. That is my final answer. Now I have to write it as A equals 60. I look for the measurement, it's feet, and then I write my 2. So remember guys, don't forget step 2. You have to divide by 2. Okay, get to work, good job.